As one of the biggest investment funds in the world, with over $600 billion in assets, the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund aims to make wise investment that will benefit the Saudi economy in the long run. And they have a track record of making bold moves, such as investing in some of the world's biggest companies like Disney, Bank of America, and BP. But as we all know, putting all your eggs in one basket can be a risky move. That's why the PIF has diversified its investment even in industries like gaming, where they own stakes in significant game developers like EA, Activision, and Nintendo. One company that the PIF has invested in is Lucid Motors, an electric vehicle manufacturer. In 2018, the PIF took a chance on Lucid with a $1 billion investment, giving them a majority stake when the company was still in its early design stage. And this move paid off as their stake grew to over $30 billion when the stock price peaked at $55 in November 2021. However, due to market conditions and missed targets, the stock price has since plummeted to a low of $7. The PIF were to purchase Lucid, it could provide financial stability and resources to expand production, boost brand recognition, and improve the company's situation. And this would align to Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 program, which aims to prioritize innovation and sustainability and reduce its dependence on oil by exploring other high-growth industries. By the looks of it, Saudi Arabia's EV market is about to get a new player. Lucid Group was the only major EV manufacturer planning to establish a significant production footprint in the kingdom for a while now. However, a Chinese EV player, Enovate Motors, has entered into a joint venture with Saudi-based Sumo Holding Company to establish a production facility capable of manufacturing 100,000 electric vehicles in the kingdom annually. And according to CEO of Sumo Holding Company, this facility will go live in just 18 months. Enovate has a limited portfolio of electric vehicles compared to Lucid Group. For example, their ME5 crossover retails between $23,000 and $25,000 and offers a range of 1,012 kilometers, while the ME7 crossover is priced between $32,000 and $44,000 and offers a maximum range of 530 kilometers. In contrast, Lucid Group's Air electric sedan starts over $90,000. Speaking of Lucid Group, they recently made their first delivery of Air EV in Riyadh. They're also opening reservations for the Lucid Gravity SUV this year, with deliveries expected to start in 2024. Currently, their production capacity is 34,000 units per annum. Still, they're adding a second assembly line to handle the production of the Lucid Gravity SUV, increasing their capacity to 90,000 vehicles per year. On top of that, Saudi Arabia recently awarded Lucid Group $3 billion in incentives to establish a 155,000 units per year production facility in the kingdom and sign an agreement to purchase up to 100,000 electric vehicles from the company over the next 10 years. So while Lucid Group and Enovate Motors won't be direct competitors in Saudi Arabia due to different price points, the Enovate Sumo JV allows the kingdom to hedge its bets if something happens with Lucid Group's production. Overall, it's exciting to see the EV market growing in Saudi Arabia and bringing more affordable options to consumers. While Lucid Group has been securing massive funding in recent months, the EV automakers still face some serious challenges. The company is burning through around $1 billion in cash every quarter. To address this, Lucid Group raised $600 million in November 2022, selling more of its shares to Ayer, third investment company, an affiliate of the Saudi PIF, raising approximately $915 million. The Saudi PIF is the biggest shareholder of Lucid Group, and these moves have provided the company with fresh liquidity totaling $1.515 billion to bolster its cash position. Nevertheless, Tesla and other automakers have been aggressively cutting prices to revive demand, leaving Lucid Group with shrinking margins and low sales. The company only delivered 1,932 vehicles in Q4 of 2022, leaving around 1,561 EVs in its inventory at the end of the quarter. This elevated inventory is not a good sign of healthy demand. As a result, the used Lucid Air EVs are now being sold at steep discount, which is not helping the company's finances. In light of this, it's not surprising that the Saudis are hedging their bets by partnering with Enovate, which will produce affordable EVs in Saudi Arabia. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get back to the video. As we've seen, Saudi Arabia is investing heavily in existing electric vehicle companies like Lucid Group and Enovate. It's a question that's been on everyone's mind. Is Saudi Arabia merely jumping on electric vehicle bandwagon and collaborating with existing players, or are they gearing up to unleash their very own locally produced EV onto the world stage? Could be witnessing the birth of an entirely new automotive powerhouse? For years, Saudi Arabia has tried and failed to launch its own car industry. But now, with the electric vehicle revolution, they see an opportunity to try again. The kingdom hopes that by transitioning to electric vehicles, it can wean itself of its reliance on oil income, which is the primary source of revenue as the world's largest energy exporter. According to Saudi official, one advantage of electric vehicle market is that it offers a more level playing field than the petrol engine market, which is dominated by established car makers in Europe, the US, and Japan. This could give Saudi Arabia a better chance of success. Additionally, as Monica Malik, chief economist at Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, points out, the Saudis can use their financial muscle to buy into the electric market rather than building something from scratch. So, while we may not see completely Saudi-made electric car anytime soon, it's clear that the kingdom sees the electric vehicle market as a crucial part of its diversification drive and energy transition story. By investing in existing companies and buying into electric vehicle market, Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as a player in the global transition to electric vehicles. As part of its ambitious diversification drive, Saudi Arabia plans to make electric vehicle manufacturing a vital pillar of its economy. Overseen by the Public Investment Fund (PIF), the country aims to expand its local labor force, create jobs in the private sector, and attract foreign direct investment. To achieve this, the Saudi government has invested in creating the futuristic new city of Neom, a financial center in Riyadh, and tourist resorts. At the heart of their electric vehicle plans is SEER, an EV production initiative. In partnership with Taiwan's Foxconn and BMW, the Saudi government hopes to produce 170,000 cars annually, with the first cars to go on sale in 2025 at the affordable end of the market. Saudi Arabia aims to build a robust electric vehicle manufacturing industry, producing 170,000 cars per year through their partnership with Taiwan's Foxconn and BMW under the brand SEER. But there are some challenges to overcome, including the current global shortage of semiconductor chips, which is affecting not just the car industry but the broader electric industry as well. In addition, high mineral prices required for batteries are threatening development. These challenges could delay the point at which electric vehicles are produced for exact cost of combustion engines. Despite these challenges, the Saudi government is investing in the entire electric vehicle supply chain, including mining operations, to secure its supply of minerals used in batteries. Furthermore, the government is establishing a full value chain to support the industry, with the King Abdullah Economic City as a supply chain hub. This government-driven initiative is expected to create jobs and attract foreign direct investment. Lucid aims to start assembling vehicles in Saudi this year, with cars completely built within the country in 2025. And that's it for today's update on electric vehicle market. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more insightful content like this. This is Jules, and thanks for tuning in. If you haven't seen Saudi Arabia's insane Giga project, what are you waiting for? Check it out in this next video.